what you get is a zip file. This is the English phonetic zip file. And so I'm going to double click it and it's going to unzip it into a folder. Now we have this folder. Inside the folder we're going to find basically two important things. One, the AnkiDeck itself. This contains all the text. And two, the media folder, which has all the MP3s and images and things like that. So how do we get this into Anki? There are two ways of doing this. One is easier and one works better. Right now you'll see I have one deck here that has Dropbox syncing. Now if I wanted to make a new deck just for my pronunciation practice, then I would hit import. I'm going to call it, let's say, English pronunciation. And at this point it's going to ask me where do I find this deck. So I go to my desktop, I go to this folder, and inside I find the shared.anki file. Okay, I'm going to open that and click import. At this point all of the facts have been imported. I hit close, and if you look at my deck, everything's there. Now in this case the media files are all transferred as well, and so in this case if I hit this you'll hear pa. It works. For Anki, the media files are stored locally in this deck because this is not a synced deck. So this is under Documents, Anki, English Pronunciation, and you'll see that there's a media folder here that has all of the exact same media. Now there's a problem when you try to use a Dropbox deck. Here's a deck with Dropbox syncing. It has one card, it's on Dropbox. You'll see that the Dropbox media folder, the Anki media folder in Dropbox is under Public, Anki here. And you'll find this is the deck with Dropbox syncing media. Right now there's one picture, it's just one card. Now if I import this deck, I open the deck, I did that over here, click Open. I go to File, to Import. I see the exact same thing, and so I import the shared.anki file. I click the import button. Everything's the same. The only issue is that there's no media here. And so if I try to review and I try to listen to this P card, I hear nothing. There's no sound. So all I have to do is copy it over manually. It's an annoying step, but it goes pretty quick. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my desktop, to the English Phonetics folder. I'm going to go to share.media in one window. I'm going to open another window. I did this by going File to New Finder window. I'm going to go to Dropbox, Public, Anki, and I'm going to go to my deck with Dropbox syncing.media folder. I will take everything in the shared media folder and drag it and drop it into there. Okay, it's all in there. You can see Dropbox is working away trying to get this synchronized. And now when I open my deck again and I try to review, I should hear the file. Pa. It works. That is all. Until next time.